చరిత్రలో ఎక్కడైనా ఇలాంటి జరిగి ఉండదు ఏ దేశంలో కూడా. మా బీ ఫార్ములు ఫ్యాబ్రికేట్ చేసి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు దాదాపు 35 స్థానాల్లో వాళ్ళ ఏజెంట్ల క్యాండిడేట్లు పెట్టి కరెక్ట్గా వైఎస్ఆర్సిపి అభ్యర్థుల పేర్లు మా పేర్లు ఒకటే ఉంచినట్టు చూపించింది చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు. అలాగే జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి 11 మంది కోవట్లు పంపించి కొన్ని డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఫ్యాబ్రికేట్ చేసి ఎక్కడైతే చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు గెలుస్తారని అనుకున్నారో అక్కడ మా బీ ఫార్ములు వాడుకుంటున్నారు. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నాన్ సెన్స్? హ్యాస్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఎవర్ టేకన్ ప్లేస్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇన్ ఇండియన్ హిస్టరీ ఫర్ ద లాస్ట్ 72 years? And why the Chief Election Commissioner Mr. Arora is not listening to Andhra Pradesh CEO Mr. Dwivedi, who is an incredible man with utmost integrity and honesty? I am wondering, why is he not calling for investigation both Telugu Desam Party chief, who has stolen, who has given 3.5 crore voters list, privatizing to delete lakhs of voters, almost 50 lakhs. Same way Jagan Mohan Reddy using Form 7, removing 50 lakh voters. Still they have not investigated. On March 11th, I requested in writing in person, Mr. Arora, you must postpone the election at least until May 4th or 5th or before 17th. Do investigation. He didn't care to do the investigation. Look, I am a fighter. I fight against every corruption in the world. And I am willing to fight for my Indians, especially my Telugu brothers and sisters. Youth, get ready. If the elections are not postponed, we may boycott the election. We live in a democratic country. We have every right to oppose this corruption. Now the corruption has reached sky high. Chandrababu Naidu is filing their candidates with my B forms, fabricating, and we have proof of it. No talk. And we are going to the High Court today and tomorrow, possibly taking lunch motion, and Monday we will see the order. And Jagan Mohan Reddy is filing his candidates in certain areas with our B forms. And so many of you are trusting me. Thank you very much, at least 90%.
Their B form accepted, our not accepted.
Another thing, thank you Jyoti, their B form, చూడండి ఇంతకంటే ఆశ్చర్యం లేదు. Their B form with scanned signatures are all accepted. All, not one rejected. Our B forms for our candidates all have been rejected except few. What is going on? Which country do we live in? I live in America for 30 years and I am proud Indian, and I never became American citizen, even though my wife is American citizen, my children 3 American citizens, my 3 grandchildren American citizens. I love India. I promoted India in 196 countries. I have addressed 155 presidents and prime ministers, and I'm a proud Indian. I born as an Indian, I will die as an Indian. More than ever, I am committed to change the destiny of this country along with you. Martin Luther King said once, if you can't find a reason to live, you better die. I found a reason to live, which is to promote democracy, equality, justice for all Indians, 1.3 billion, 130 crore people. Join me, stand with me. If the elections of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana are not postponed, we will take all necessary legal actions, and youth, we will stand together. Yes, if we have no choice to go for election, we are going. Vote for helicopter, all of you. Wherever there is no helicopter symbol, don't vote at all. Just go to the bottom, nota, N-O-T-A, none of the above. Don't vote for Jagan, don't vote for the corrupt leader Chandrababu, don't vote for actor Pavan Kalyan, who can do nothing for you. And you know my track record. I have brought billions, billionaires, presidents, prime ministers from Bill Gates to Bill Clinton to India and Hyderabad. I'm going to do it again with your power, with our power, with God's power. We will do great and mighty things.